Okay, this is my Kenmore Ultra Wash Quiet Guard Standard, and I have an issue with it where I start the cycle normal, any one of these cycles. I can take off anything I want, add anything, whatever, but if I hit start, the water will fill. I don't know if you can hear it. And what you'll see is it'll just shut off. I checked the floater, I pulled apart everything, cleaned out the inside. Can't figure out, I think it might be a motherboard problem, but I don't know. Or circuit board. So this takes about 30 seconds. And all the lights will just shut off. So right now we're just waiting. Pay attention to the lights because they'll just shut off after the water reaches a certain level. Oh, see? Motor started and it shut off. Sometimes it just shuts off without the motor even starting.